Alright guys, let me show you how you can actually create a project. So within your navigation menu, click on projects, click on create a project, and you will be first presented with the project templates. There are like literally a lot of project templates in here. Depending on which project that you actually want to use, if you want to use a service project, then you create a service project. If your needs are more geared towards the business requirements that are not really following the agile methodologies, then you would actually choose work management. If you're actually for product management, you would actually need another added product, which is called the Jira Product Discovery. And yeah, as you can see, there are like a lot of them. So I'm actually want to choose for Jira in here. A lot of time you will actually be creating Kanban and Scrum projects as well, and also you will be creating Jira projects as you will be creating the service management projects as well. So I'm gonna go with Kanban, and here it gives you the description, what issue types it does it have, what kind of workflow does it have. You use this template. Next, what you want to choose is either team managed or a company managed project. So the basics to actually explain this: company managed projects can only be created by the Jira administrators. If you're the Jira administrator, you will be given this option. If you're not the Jira administrator, this will be grayed out. You will be actually able to create the team managed projects. Also, maybe this is also the case if you have these two grayed out as well. Why? Because your Jira admin might actually disable this option to create team managed projects, or only limit to the people who are actually within your Jira requirement. So, team managed projects, if you have a small team of people, you just want to lead everything by yourself, you want to do the configuration by yourself, choose team managed projects. If you actually want to have more complex but standardized project with more customization options, you go for a company managed project. So first of all, I'm gonna go with the team managed project. I'm gonna say that this is going to be named team managed project. Here you have three levels: open, limited, private. Private, only people who you invite to your team managed project will be able to access it. Open, what actually means that the people who are within your organization, which is this one right here, will be able to actually access your project and create the issues, edit the issues, view issues, write comments, and things like that. For the limited, they'll only be able to actually view the issues and actually comment on them. They cannot create them. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna go with limited. I'm gonna click on next, and that is everything. The fine, as you can see, the very last step is that your project will be created. Also, if you want to connect some of your code repositories in here, for example, GitHub Bucket, GitHub, GitLab, yeah, those three, you can connect that. If you actually want to connect Confluence, what you can actually do is you can indeed connect your space in here, so you can actually have Confluence that is linked to your specific Jira project. Basically, that's it. You just click on create, and this is it. You can actually start working on your project. And that is everything that you needed to know. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See ya.